Smartphones are a brilliant invention. They function as our camera, our GPS, our flashlight, and even as our entire computer. App developers do their best to make user interface as simple and intuitive as possible.
To play music, roll your eyes. Message sent to Mom.
But sometimes it's easier to manage things with a physical controller. Meet Nimi and Boozy, the inventors of PressE, a new way to control and automate your everyday smartphone actions. PressE is a tiny physical button that connects to your headphone jack and sends unique signals to an intuitive app that can activate one of many commands. Here are some of the many things you can do with your PressE. Take instant photos and upload them to your favorite social network. Turn on your LED light. Send your location for emergencies. Start a discreet tape recording.
Don't tell anyone, but I like bears.
Check into your favorite social network, and much more. PressE is not just a one-trick pony. You can easily configure the PressE app to execute different actions for different sequences of clicks. For example, 2 short clicks can call your mom, and 2 long clicks can call your dad. But what if you want to use your headphones? Just let PressE rest in the special keychain and use the headphone button as PressE. It all still works. PressE even has an API, so developers can bring you more cool features. This is where Nimi and Boozy ask for your help. PressE needs your love. If 2,000 people support PressE and order one, Nimi and Boozy will be able to mass produce PressE. PressE, the almighty button.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
Why Brava? Well, the story of Brava is really the story of all of our robots. At iRobot, our goal is to make practical robots that replace those dull or undesirable jobs you may have in your home. But as we started talking to our customers, we realized cleaning needs vary. Every home's a little different. Many people today in their busy lives like to maintain a nice clean floor in between those major cleans, and they use things that are cloth-based, for example, a Swiffer. And we thought we could help in this arena as well. And that robot is Brava.
Because the purpose of Brava is to give your floors a surface clean, we knew that unlike Roomba and Scuba's iAdapt methodology, which tells the robot to make multiple passes over the floor, we needed to develop a systematic way to cover the floors in a single pass. That's Brava's North Star navigation system. It works like an indoor GPS to help the robot keep track of where it has been and where it needs to go. The North Star navigation cube projects a signal onto the ceiling that Brava uses to determine its location. As Brava cleans, it builds a map of the area, including walls, obstacles, and drop-offs as it encounters them.
And the thing about Brava is that it's just so easy to use. You attach a cloth, you put it down on your floor, You hit a button for dry or damp, and away the robot goes. And listen to this. It's whisper quiet too.
We designed Brava to cover your floors quickly, but also wanted to ensure that it cleans the floors effectively. That's why we developed 2 cleaning modes for Brava, one for dry mopping and one for damp mopping. When dry mopping, Brava moves in straight lines using dry cleaning cloths to pick up dirt, dust, and hair. When damp mopping, Brava uses a special back and forth mopping action and damp cleaning cloths to lift surface dirt and grime. Brava can also be used with the ProClean reservoir pad. After filling the pad with water, it helps dispense liquid evenly onto a damp cleaning cloth while cleaning your floor.
Brava will pick up dirt, dust, and hair from virtually any hard surface, whether it's hardwood, laminates, tile, even stone, and keep those floors looking shiny all week long. There is a lot of intelligence built into Brava. Because of its compact size, Brava can clean under sofas and tables and get into tight areas. Wall-following technology allows Brava to clean dust and dirt right along the walls, baseboards, and edges of your floor. Brava's smart built-in sensors help it avoid stairs, area rugs, and raised transitions to carpets. We're really excited to add Brava to our portfolio of home cleaning robots. We know you're going to enjoy adding Brava to your robot fleet or bringing it home as your first robot.
The Wi-Fi router is one of the most important utilities in our lives that we usually take for granted. But many routers are really difficult to set up, configure, and maintain. Security for our Wi-Fi shouldn't be taken lightly, but we usually don't want a password that's too complicated and hard to remember. We've sacrificed security for convenience.
So the combination is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the stupidest combination I ever heard in my life!
But even with a strong password, it's scary how easy it can be for someone to hack into our personal photos and information. Typical home routers are optimized for just a few devices, but nowadays each of us owns multiple devices. Cheap components equal a weak signal, which means we're sometimes left to do some signal strength yoga. We're gonna say it, a good Wi-Fi router is something that's worth investing in.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you the greatest thing your eyes have ever beheld.
And that's why we've built a router that's easy to set up and use, has an innovative new way to authenticate your devices, and has strong, powerful, enterprise-grade hardware and software. Key Wi-Fi is designed to be simple, sophisticated, and secure. To set up Key Wi-Fi, just plug it in, and you're done. We've simplified it all. To connect, we've patented a unique authentication procedure that is simple and secure. Just go to the Wi-Fi selection page, tap Key Wi-Fi, and you're authenticated. Now you're able to connect. Devices that aren't authenticated simply can't join.
The Key provides enterprise-level hardware and software. Our Qualcomm chipset is fast with 11AC. Intelligent beamforming knows where a device is and targets a stronger, clearer, faster signal to your device.
This here's a spectacle might warrant a moment's consideration.
Everyone notices when the internet slows down. There are thousands of possible problems that might have nothing to do with your internet connection, but something to do with the connection between your modem and your router, or your router and your devices. We've designed something that's so much more than a simple reset button, the Zen button. It runs a self-diagnosis of the most common connectivity issues and attempts to resolve them automatically.
Our team were formerly at Cisco, Aruba, and Juniper, and have worked on some of the most powerful enterprise and consumer routers available. We felt like it too long to bring this technology to people.
It's about time we provide better tools for managing our Wi-Fi. We're working on an app with advanced features. With device management, you can lock and unlock key Wi-Fi, as well as approve, forget, and even ban users. You can also put a time limit on how long a device can be on your Wi-Fi. And you can also use key Wi-Fi as a range extender for your existing routers. Even configure multiple Wi-Fi networks using either traditional passwords or our proximity authentication procedure, your choice. So that's key Wi-Fi, easy to set up and use. A new secure way to authenticate devices and protect your information. And equipped with powerful enterprise-grade hardware and software to provide a strong, stable signal for all your devices.
Thank you so much for supporting us on Kickstarter. I joined this team because we've come in such a long way in the last 3 months. We have a great team working really hard to bring you the best product we can. We hope you'll like it.